So, with the mornings getting colder and the sun starting to go down sooner, I figured it wouldn't be a bad time to try my hand at some of these more indoor water features and do some aquascaping. So, I have not really done anything like this before. I put a miniature waterfall inside a coffee table last December, and that was a lot of fun, but that was really my first time doing anything like that, and that was different than what I'm doing today. So today, we are doing a very miniature pond with a bubbling waterfall inside this glass container. And at the moment, I'm not even sure it'll work. Just hoping I don't break it. But here's what we have. We have a glue gun with a razor blade, a drill with some stone and glass drill bits. I have this rock left over from another water feature project. I have this river rock from the arts and crafts section of the Dollar Tree. And I have a $10 pump I got on Amazon. And I think I lost that somewhere. This glass container I got at Goodwill for $4.99. So my plan is to use this glass bit to drill a little hole here and run my wire for the pump through it and then waterproof that so it doesn't leak. And then the wire will be below, hidden on the back side. And then we're gonna hide our pump with some of this river rock and then stack up some of these rocks and drill a hole through them to run water through them. So we get a bubbling rock water feature inside here surrounded by a little miniature pond, and I might try to fit some little miniature water plants in here, but we'll see how it goes. So once this pump is in, I'm gonna need something to cover it and keep the rock off of it. So I'm gonna cut this plastic with my razor blade and glue it into a little short box with some holes in it that can go over my pump. My little pump will fit inside here. So I need a little hole for this. So when I started this project, I thought the hot glue would work for sealing the wire into the hole with the glass, but the hot glue did not stick to the glass. So I ended up toward the end having to go back and use a caulking glue to get that wire to seal properly, and then I was able to continue. Okay, so the feature is done. This top rock is loose because I don't know if I like it there or not, but whoa, don't fall. We're gonna fill this up a little more and put some plants in here and then let the dirt settle because these rocks are dusty from when I drilled them. I should have hosed them out, but I didn't. So we're gonna let this run for a little while and put some plants in it, and we'll be back.
That's super cool.